Professor Bergman, it's Jim Nordstrom. We just passed through the laser barrier, and we should be ready to start Dr. Russell's manual check on the radiation seals.
Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com, and it's a new year, which means it's time for a new build with a new theme. And for 2024, that is going to be looking into the future. All of the builds this year are going to be based on properties set sometime in the future. Might be 20 minutes, might be 10,000 years, just as long as we're looking ahead somehow. And we're going to start out in the far-flung future of 25 years ago with Space 1999's Moon Buggy. Now, Round 2 has been reissuing a lot of their Space 1999 kits, and while most of them look really good, as someone who only builds and collects in 24th, 25th scale, there wasn't really a whole lot out there, except for this one. And they had actually repopped it a couple of years ago, but it was with their nuclear waste disposal facility, and I didn't want to get all of that for just the Moon Buggy, but now they've made it as just a standalone kit, so of course I had to pick one up. So taking a look at the packaging, got that nice painted art on the front of it with the Space 1999 logo, kind of how they've been doing the whole series. Got that repeated on the ends. Over here we've got all the legal stuff, the barcode, and a shot of the decal sheet, which is a nice touch that they've included there. Over here, photos of the Moon Buggy as well as the Amphicat, and a screenshot from the series. And taking a look inside, there's really not a whole lot going on, as you can imagine with a vehicle this size. First parts tree, we've got the top half of the tub, we've got the axles, and we've got all 6 tires done as 2 halves each. Detail actually looks pretty good on them, not really a whole lot of flash as I'd expect from a kit this age. Next up, we've got the bottom half of the tub. We've got 2 astronauts, only one of them still attached. We've got the seat, the interior bucket, boxes that go on the back. We've got the controls here. There's the second astronaut figure. Just kind of fell off the tree there. We've got all the mechanical innards, as well as the seat for the standard Amphicat. And I don't know if you can see, but it actually has the little Amphicat logo cast into the seat. There's not a whole lot of clear parts, but we do get 2 headlights, and those are nicely protected in their own little baggie. We've got a decal sheet like we saw on the side of the box, nicely protected in plastic baggie. And finally, we've got the instructions, which again, pretty basic. It's only 4 pages long, and it gives you the optional assemblies if you're doing this as the Amphicat or as the Moon Buggy. That looks pretty straightforward. There is one more cool thing that Round 2 did, and that is they give you full color paint and decal instructions on the sides of the box. I was not expecting that, but that is a really nice touch. It gives you for the Amphicat as well as the Moon Buggy, along with all the mechanical stuff at the base. I just thought that was a nice touch they did. So that's it for the kit. Like I said, I'm actually pretty impressed with how they did on it. I was expecting a lot more flash and a lot more cleanup needed for the age of this kit, but it looks pretty good. I might be overcomplicating it a little bit for myself. I've got an idea, not sure if it's going to work or not, but stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, I'm going to be starting to put it together. I'll have my first update next week, so you can check back then, and thanks for watching.